Barrington Levy, the sweet voice of reggae. Barrington Levy, born on April 30th, 1964, in Clarendon, Jamaica, is one of reggae's most beloved voices, renowned for his unique vocal style and influence in bridging roots reggae with dancehall. Known for his distinct tenor and infectious melodies, Levy has been a staple in the reggae industry since his teenage years. His work in the 1970s and 1980s, with hits like Under Mi Sensi and Here I Come, helped to define the dancehall era and made him a household name in Jamaica and beyond. Levy's journey into reggae music began early. As a child, he was drawn to the sounds of Jamaica's vibrant music scene and started performing at local events. His first group, Mighty Multitude, with his cousin Everton Dacres, gave Levy a taste of the music world, but he soon went solo, quickly becoming a favorite on the island sound systems. His big break came in 1979 with the release of the song Collie Weed, which received massive airplay and paved the way for future success. By the early 1980s, Levy was a leading figure in the dancehall scene. His success continued with a string of hits produced by Henry Junjo Laws and backed by the Roots Radix Band, which included classics like Looking My Love, 21 Girl Salute, and Murderer. These songs showcased Levy's versatility, with themes that ranged from love and romance to social issues, capturing the hearts of reggae fans worldwide. Unlike many of his contemporaries, Levy managed to maintain a positive image, avoiding the more violent and explicit content often associated with dancehall. His music was both uplifting and conscious, blending the rhythms of dancehall with the soul of roots reggae. Levy's career truly exploded internationally with the release of Here I Come in 1985, which became an anthem and introduced him to audiences in the United Kingdom, the United States, and other parts of the world. His scat-style ad-libs and rich, smooth vocals set him apart, earning him collaborations with various international artists and record labels. Songs like Under Mi Sensi became reggae classics and are still popular today, regularly played in clubs and at reggae festivals. His contribution to reggae music has earned him a loyal fanbase and respect from both artists and audiences. In addition to his musical success, Levy is known for his vibrant personality and positive lifestyle. Unlike many artists who face challenges with the turbulent aspects of fame, Levy managed to keep a relatively low profile, focusing instead on his craft. He has consistently released music over the years and continues to perform at festivals worldwide. His wealth is primarily derived from his music career, with his net worth estimated to be between $1 million and $5 million, reflecting the enduring popularity of his music and his reputation as a reggae legend. Barrington Levy's legacy lies in his ability to bridge the gap between generations. His influence on modern reggae and dancehall is undeniable, with many younger artists citing him as an inspiration. His classic hits continue to resonate with audiences, and his contributions to the genre have cemented his status as one of reggae's greats. Whether through his memorable melodies, innovative vocal style, or his impact on the evolution of dancehall, Barrington Levy remains a vital part of reggae's rich history.